Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your physical or virtual card on Bybit. So to do that, you open your Bybit app, click on More. So what you have to do is to swipe at the right and go to Finance. You're going to see an option that says Card, click on it. It's going to show you all the card benefits. You can pay anytime, anywhere with your crypto or fiat card. So this card can work in other platforms as long as you have USDT on your Bybit balance. Click on Activate Card. It's going to tell you to choose your residence. By default, it will choose your default residence. As you can see at the bottom, it says base currency USD. Click on Continue. You also have to make sure that you have verified your identity on Bybit. So I have done that already. So click on Next. Click on I agree and continue. Your virtual card application is under review. So you are going to wait for it. It might take 7 working days. Your information has been received. We will reach out to you via email. So as you can see right here, it's already told me that the card has been approved. So let me refresh. Okay, I already have the virtual card. As you can see right here, it has activated the card for me immediately. So that's how you get your virtual card. One more thing, I forgot to mention that earlier. If you want to activate your card, start using your card, you have to give them some additional info. So we're going to go to Bybit and go to the card section, click on the drop down menu, click on the eye icon. When you do that, it's going to bring out this option. It says, we need some additional information from you before you can access your virtual card number. So you have to put your address, put your postal code, and put your city. After doing that, your card will be activated. So I'm not going to do that in this video, but I have shown you what you have to do. After you do that, you can now use your card and make transaction anywhere. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.